Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up GoCanvas integration with Evernote. All right. So to integrate these two, you can either go ahead over to the integration sections right here and contact support so that you'll have your custom integration, or you can go ahead and do it yourself. Okay. If you just want support to do it for you, you can go ahead and click on this link and continue with the process. All right. If not, you can go ahead and do it yourself. But how do we do it? All right. So basically, we will need a third-party automation platform like Zapier or AppyPie Automate or even Make.com, N8N, you name it. All right. So these platforms like Zapier right here can create workflows that connects the two applications and automate the transfer of data. So the process generally involves selecting GoCanvas as the trigger and to Evernote as the action app. All right. All we have to do is just authenticate both GoCanvas and Evernote and then mapping the data fields you want to transfer. So first up, go ahead over to Zapier.com or the automation website of your choice. So in here in Zapier, I'm just going to click on create and Zaps. Now once it loads, I'm going to go ahead over to trigger. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and select GoCanvas. All right, click. And then the trigger event may be a new submission. And the account, just click on select and log in with your account. Okay. Once that's done, hit on continue and configure. Okay. The app name or the project name or the form name. Okay. Just select one, for example, all forms. Continue. Test. Always test the connection. Okay. When you have a check mark right here, that means you're good to go. And as you can see here, when we click on this icon, it says this zap will trigger as soon as a new event happens. So when everything is connected right here and when you hit on publish, it activates the workflow, allowing the defined actions to run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs. Okay. Each time the trigger event happens, Zapier will execute the associated actions in the connected app. So let's go ahead over to actions and select Evernote. Like so, click on it. Now go ahead and choose an action event. All right. When there is a new submission, you can choose append to note, create note, create notebook, create a tag or tag a note, and some other options. All right. So I'm just going to select create a note like so, and then account, just sign in. Same with GoCanvas right here. Authorize. There you go. Then hit on continue, configure, select a notebook right here. And then if you want to, you can make links public or private. Okay. True if you want it public, false if you want it private. Title, maybe just a sample integration like so. And the content, hi YouTube, please subscribe. Okay. Tags, if you want to add some tags, go ahead and do so. Reminder time, reminder done time or attachments, and source URL. If not, just go ahead and continue and test the step. Okay. Got a check mark. Go ahead and hit on publish if you want this one to go public or up and running. Okay. As you can see here, we now have the sample integration. That means that the connection is successful. All right. Just basically hit on publish if you want this one to run automatically. Okay. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.